In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install Facebook app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up App Store. Just search for the App Store icon on your home screen. If you cannot find it on the first one, try to search for it at another one. However, if you still cannot find it, then just swipe down to bring up search and search for App Store in that way. That's how we can easily find it. Now I'm gonna open it up. After that, we need to go to search and then search for Facebook, just like that. That's how we can easily find Facebook. And now if I tap right here, then there we can see this open button because the app is already installed on my iPhone. But if you don't have it installed, it will say get, or instead of the button there will be a cloud icon. Just click on it to install Facebook app. And once the installation process is done, you will be able to open Facebook app from the Facebook app icon that will be placed on your home screen, just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.